It is another beautiful day for Kapampangan basketball as we bring you the continuing coverage of your 2023 to 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta. As itong si Joren Gigante of Bayung Porac wanting to continue his dominance. At makakatapat niya dito, itong si Lendel Garcia and the rest of the APALIT I Love It basketball team trying to bounce back from their heartbreaking loss against Calugoran Santa Rita. Our game at hand, main game, APALIT I Love It kontra Bayung Porac. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyo mga kabalan. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, and alongside with me is my brother and mentor inside the hardcourt, Enzo Galarosa.
Yes, man, and I'm very excited for this final game dahil tingnan mo naman yung mammoth crowd dito. Who says they don't love basketball, di ba? Clearly, whoever said that is lying. Kasi tingnan mo naman ang suporta ng mga kabalan dito. Look at them. May drums, ang dami pang mga balloons. Everyone loves this matchup dito. And speaking of matchup, let's take a look at the team standing. Itong APALIT I Love It at 7-3 sa kanilang record. Number 2 seed sila sa bracket A. Samantala itong Bayung Porac, number 7 seed, 5-5. Bar 500, itong Bayung Porac. And that's why nakasingit sila dito sa playoffs dito. An interesting matchup dito dahil may twice to beat advantage. Etong APALIT I Love It.
But now, let's take a look at our tournament format first, Enzo.
Yes, top 4 teams will get a twice to beat advantage dito sa quarterfinals round 1. Rank 1 versus 8-2 versus 7-3 versus 6-4 versus 5. And the winners at makaka-advance sa quarterfinals round 2, magko-crossover tayo doon. 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3. Ganun yung magiging format natin. The knockout na mangyayari doon. Top 4 teams na papasok sa semifinals round, magra-round robin to determine the top 2 teams na papasok sa finals, and the 3 and 4 maglalaban for the battle for third.
But first, most importantly, tignan muna natin itong ating game story, Brave at Heart kontra APALIT I Love It and Bayung Porac.
Classic na. Alam mo yung movie na yan?
Hindi.
Brave Heart. Okay, you should watch that. Pero Braveheart, diba? Napakaganda na itong laban na ito. Bayung Porac, a team that you cannot sleep on. Guys like Double T, Tristan Tubangi, and Joren Gigante can lead them to a storm dito. Samantala makakatapat nila itong sila Lendel Garcia, diba? And ito yung elimination round matchup. Napaka-close nito. Actually, if you remember, this is the first game you paneled with me, diba? And napakadikit nito sa dulo lang sa fourth quarter. Umarangkada itong APALIT I Love It for a 96-88 victory.
But Enzo, on that time, Isaac Denting played for APALIT
Yes.
I Love It. But now, they're facing again Bayung Porac at our playoffs without Isaac Denting. And now, of course, coming up is the battle between APALIT I Love It kontra Bayung Porac. And now I'm turning you over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good evening once again, Delta Cup fans, and welcome to BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of Pampanga Delta. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partners Sinag Liga Asia. Catch the live action at Pampanga Public Information Office FB page and YouTube channel. This is the main event for the evening, our last game for tonight. It's the battle between APALIT I Love It and your Bayung Porac. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your APALIT I Love It. Starting out at guard number 3, Yuri Mazipak. Also at guard number 23, Lendel Garcia. At forward number 28, Caleb Macapagal. Also at forward number 1, Kent Montalvo. And center number 14, JP Maglalay. Head coach for APALIT ILOVE is Sal de Messina. Assistant coaches Edgar Pingol, Per Cardiner, Robert Pereira, and Romel Odrenko. Your APALIT ILOVE. And now let's meet the starters for your Bayung Porach. Point guard number 11, Tristan Tubangi. Shooting guard number 23, Rafael Capulo. Small forward number 15, Joran Gigante. Also forward number 22, Nino Vasquez. And center number 9, Gian Cruz. Head coach for Bayung Porach is Arvin Levi. Assistant coaches Lloyd Rivera and Larry Carlos. Your Bayung Porach. Game officials charged in action. Anthony Roque, John Banayat, and Erson Birds Ezuga. This is the Delta Cup 2024.
The starters for APALIT ILOVE it, Masibak, Garcia, Maglalang, Montalvo, and Macapagal. At para sa panig ng Bayung Porach, Tubangi, Capulong, Cruz, Zoren, Gigante, and Vasquez. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo manning the sidelines. Let us see kung kanina mapupunta ang unang ball possession.
And Gian Cruz para dito sa Bayung Porach will be the crucial part of their game. I know I said the backcourt of Double T and itong si... Oh! Agad-agad!
Early three-point shot from Rafael Capulong.
Grabe. Pukul agad. But yun nga, Gian Cruz needs to be a big factor for Bayung Porach dahil siya lang yung nag-iisang big man nila dito eh. He needs to be a menace down low.
And Enzo, taking note here, Kent Montalvo going back.
Yes.
The last game nila against Calgoran Santa Rita. Kent Montalvo is not there and also JP Maglalang. So, it's their time to regain themselves. Now,
Yes.
andito ngayon si Montalvo. But as I mentioned earlier, nung nanalo sila against Bayung Porach, nandoon si Isaac Danting.
Yes, the
to help
Tiger,
them.
di ba? The Tiger himself, Ice Danting. And Luidwan Kapampangan. We should not forget that kasi magagalit si Coach Jonathan. Pag hindi natin binanggit bata
Nagaling
niya.
sa kanya.
Oo, nagalit sa kanya yun. But Ice Danting played a big factor. Yung athletic ability niya, yung big three-point shot niya no fourth quarter, di ba? Yung dagger three niya na yun. Yun yung talagang nagbasag ng puso ng Bayung Porach eh. Pero dito, no Ice Danting. So if you're Bayung Porach, isipin mo na lang, wala na yung nagpatalo sa atin last game, di ba?
But you have here Montalvo, you have here
Yun nga lang.
Garcia.
Ang haba pa na ito makapagal, di ba? Oh, look at that block by Gian.
JP Maglalang against Gian Cruz.
Sabi ko sa'yo, he needs to play a factor. Another guy from Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan yan, si Gian Cruz, ha? Kotang-kota na si Coach Jonathan. Love you, Och.
Magkakaroon na din yan ng future dito sa APALIT eh.
Oo. Well, babranch out din lang Angeles City.
Masiba, miss pass to Tubangi. Tubangi against Lendel Garcia.
Oh, wow!
Oh, nice pass to Jorin Gigante.
Grabe, ha? Unselfish, pwede na itira ni Double T yun. Coach JR De La Cruz would love that pass from Double T.
You know, it's a bad pass for Yuri Masibak. He
Oo.
thought that it was Lendel Garcia na nandoon.
Magka-height eh. Pero magkaiba ng kulay ng jersey.
Kent Montalvo. There's a whistle.
I am in awe with the talent of this kid, Kent Montalvo. Ganyan katangkad, ganyan gumalaw, di ba?
Take a look at that missed pass. Yuri Masibak came short on that. And, beautiful dime from Tristan Tubangi
Yung ball
to
boy.
Zorin Gigante.
Yung ball boy ng Bayung Porach, alam na easy basket yun eh. Sa ganda ng pasan ni Tubangi eh. Nagtatatalo na dun sa gilid eh.
You know, one thing about Tristan Tubangi, he's a player for Hustle Rising
Yes.
Suns.
The star of Hustle Rising Suns. Actually, ang interesting nga, he pairs well with scoring backcourt mates. Dito sa Bayung Porach, JM Gigante ang katandem niya. Sa Hustle Rising Suns, Speedy Harvey Salvador of Florida Blanca kasama niya doon, di ba? So, si Tubangi, pwedeng maging A1, A2 siya eh. Pareho tayo magsa-shine, pero I can play your game and you should play also my game. Ganun siya eh. Leader talaga to si Double T.
Ooh, nice pass from Lendel Garcia to Kent Montalvo. There's
Look
a
at the dive on the floor.
Lendel Garcia for three. Oh, in and out. out. Ball stays on the offensive side. Lendl Garcia again. Kent Montalvo.
Ayaw pa
Still no
rin.
good.
Finally.
5-0 run.
Finally, Cruz clears it.
You know, the pressure must be on Bayung Porac because majority is offensive foul. Call against Gian Cruz. But going back sa sinasabi ko nga dito, hindi tayo magkarinigan inside the BREN Convention Center. But of course, if you are Bayung Porac, gusto mo din na talagang makauna against si APALIT.
Yes.
Because the crowd advantage nitong APALIT, I love it.
Alam mo, feeling ko kapag nagka-do or die game to, mas dadami yung crowd. Kutob ko talaga.
Exactly the point.
Pero siyempre, ayaw naman itong
Kent
APALIT.
Montalvo
Uy, layo.
from way downtown. Goes up to the center. Rebound by Tubangi. Oh, Tubangi!
Wow.
Oh, beautiful move. But a sorry miss for Tubangi. Kent Montalvo for the rebound. Where will he go to?
Oh!
What a block from Nino Vasquez. Lendl Garcia trying to go for a three. That jumper still goes off to the left. Rafa, Gian Cruz. Foul against Lendl Garcia. Still a 5-0 run. Almost 4 minutes has passed by. Sideline inbound for Joren Gigante.
Sabi mo kanina, di ba, walang Kent Montalvo last game. Ngayon, kita mo, aggressive na aggressive si Montalvo, but medyo too aggressive to the point na medyo na didisarray bigla yung opensa na itong APALIT I love it. Oh, launch pad!
Montalvo!
Launch pad!
Oh! You have been saying
Grabe.
he has been so aggressive. And there you have it.
I knew it, pagbuelo pa lang eh, pero bawi naman dito ni JM Gigante.
That first field goal for APALIT came from Kent Montalvo. Here, Lendl Garcia. Where will he go to? He's asking for a help. Oh! It almost a beautiful dive.
Oh, good pass. Good pass right there by Vasquez.
9-2 run for Bayung Porac. 5 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. What a first start as time out on the floor. 9-2.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
As we are still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, Pampanga Delta. As we can see here, the very own head coach, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, presence inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center for our main event together with Coach Pedrick Di Matulac and our COO for Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Leo Isaac.
And the tournament commissioner of this
Delta
Delta Cup.
Cup.
Diba? And I also saw someone special dun sa dulo.
Enzo
Serrano. The former Phoenix Fuel Master andito rin.
And a champion for a Pro League, a Pampanga Giant
Oo
Lanterns.
naman.
Oh,
Ayaw pa rin para dito sa APALIT I love it.
but ito one thing about APALIT I love it, Enzo. They also, para silang Angeles City Red Warriors eh. They must have been short on the first half. But of course, as we mentioned earlier, the basketball game doesn't end at the first and the second quarter.
Yes.
We have 4 quarters until you heard the final beat of the buzzer.
Kung magpainit kasi itong APALIT I love it, kala mo lakas 40 team, kahit talon ng talon yung mga player.
Exactly the
Ito na
point.
yung tinatanong mo yung Silvestre.
Oo, wala pa sumasagot eh. As he checks in for this ball game, Lendl Garcia. Oh, to Dizon. Still no good, but Silvestre against 3.
Look at Nino.
Gian Cruz. Miss pass for Gian Cruz.
Kasi sinasabi, you can see Coach Arvin Ibay of Bayung Porac. Sinasabi niya kay Gigante, dapat nandun ka sa corner, wala ka sa elbow. Kasi pag sa elbow manggagaling yun, mas mabilis yung defender makaka-extend sa kanya to help. He should be in the corner to shoot that.
4 minutes and 26 seconds remaining with 9 on the shot clock. Kent Montalvo. Ayaw pa rin for Kent Montalvo.
Look at that. Kapulong really diving on the floor. Ika nga nila, sinasabi nga nila, di ba? Pakamatay na sa bola. Kasi ganun kagutom, ganun kagusto nitong Bayung Porac. Manalo pa at maglaro pa sa linggo.
Are they the second team to extend our quarterfinals one on Sunday?
Ayaw pa rin talaga para sa APALIT.
Oh, but there's Khalid Macapagal. So whistle after that attempt. 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
Grabe talaga yung rebounding dito ni Khalid Macapagal, di ba? Ito si Khalid Macapagal, pag re-rebound, parang sinasabi, we the best sa rebounding, no, Pen?
Exactly,
Hindi
Endo.
niya na-gets. Hindi niya na-gets.
Dumali ka pa dun, ha? Uy, the best music.
Eh, sinabi niya
Yun ba yun?
talaga.
Grabe yung atmosphere dito, no? It's almost the championship
Parang, alam mo,
atmosphere.
actually, totoo. Parang alam mo,
A
finals, eh.
full house inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Pagtingin ko sa likod natin, puno nga.
Actually, akala ko nga, game 1 ng... Actually, akala ko yung finals game ng NBS Lashes at Pampanga Delta, eh.
What a steal for Edmar Dizon. Here, Kent Montalvo.
May buwelo, may buwelo!
Alam ko yung inaantay mo.
Oo.
Nung elimination mo pa inaantay yung dunk
Kamontik na yung poster
ni
dunk
Kent
niya, eh.
Montalvo.
Hindi kasi din, pag binigyan mo ng buwelo itong si Kent Montalvo, kahit sino pa humarang sa kanya, tatalunan niya. He might be the highest leaper dito sa, well, di naman kasi naglalaro. Kakampi niya si Ice Danting, so mahirap sabihin. Pero in my eyes, he's the highest jumper dito sa buong tournament ng Delta Cup, di ba? And you know, he is built like our born 2001 MVP Sonny Estil. And actually, bago pa maglaro si Sonny Estil for Pampanga Delta when he was still playing for Pasig, scorer yun si Sonny. Ganyan na ganyan yung laro ni Sonny Cash Money Estil. That's why I gave him the Cash Money nickname. And ito si Montalvo, I compared him to LA Clippers' Paul George. Matangkad, may tira sa labas, may dribble. Ganun yung laruan ni Montalvo. And I'm pretty sure with Golf Delta and Coach Pedic here in attendance, I really hope makita natin to si Kent Montalvo doon ang Pampanga Delta jersey someday, di ba? Or maybe a Louis One or Hustle Rising Suns, di ba? Malay natin.
You know, I really do hope that one of the players dito sa Delta Cup, especially for those both teams that we're covering right now, is going to wear the Pampanga Delta jersey on our Sinag Liga at
Sa-
award 2001.
Sa Bayung Porac, sure ako may isa Hustle Rising Suns jersey sa Sotel.
Meron din dito,
Ito.
Louis.
Ito may bola.
Pero dito sa APALIT, alam ko, etong si Garcia eh,
Ay, we?
for Louis Juan
Aba.
Kapampangan.
Insider ka. May insider report ka. Wala pa ngayong lineup. Alam
Nandito
mo
kasi
niya.
kanina si Coach Benji Navarro eh. And he mentioned to me na manonood
Sabi ko.
siya, kaya hindi ko siya makita eh.
Sa dami ng tao, mahirap na mahanap siguro si Coach Benji.
Baseline inbound. Tubangi. Oh, balik kay Tubangi ang bola.
Oh, sayang. Good intention sana. Malakas lang yung pasa.
9-3 is our score.
3 points pa lang ang APALIT, di ba? The top-seeded, number 2 seeded APALIT I Love It. 3 points pa lang. 8 minutes na nakakalipas.
Dalawa lang ang nakatalo sa kanila, Enzo.
Yes.
The Angeles City Red
Red
Warriors
Warriors.
and the Calugoran Santa Rita who bid
Oo.
their final game for a Delta Cup earlier.
And
on our
actually, kung
third game.
kung hindi nanalo ang Santa Rita, Kaluguran Santa Rita against APALIT I Love It, hindi makakapasok ang Kaluguran Santa Rita sa playoffs, di ba?
Exactly.
Ganun ang kalaki yung panalo na yun ng Kaluguran Santa Rita.
Ooh, 3-point shot. No.
Grabe. What a
Silvestre is
rebound.
there.
Kita mo yung spasm na carve out niya doon. Laki neto ni Silvestre.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her first quarter report. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Pen. They are on the last game, but the presence of the both teams are in light for tonight's game. Team APALIT is in the 2nd spot while Team PORAC is in the 7th spot of Bracket A. Most of the coaches always mention the importance of hard defense every game, and according to head coach Arvin Ibay of Team PORAC, they need to stop their opponent to intercept the advantage of Team APALIT, while assistant coach Edgar Pingol of Team APALIT said they should not just play as a team, but play for the crowd, play for the APALIT. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Do not play for yourself, but play for the people of APALIT. That comes from the last report of MJ Raimundo. As timeout on the floor, 1 minute and 59 seconds remaining, 11-5.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Mga kasina, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag@ashasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asha. As of course, the defending champions, the Pampanga Delta, is back to defend their title for our Board 2001 inaugural season. Of course, with one Kapampangan, Hustle Rising Suns, Parañaque Pelicans, and the brand new team, Camarines Norte.
The Warriors is here. Again, I do not know if Warriors ba ang dadalhin nilang pangalan. But I'm excited for Camarines Norte. Diba?
As we are very excited on what will be the outcome of this ball game. Baseline inbound for Porac. Kubangi is not here, but Gian Cruz.
Oh, wow! Grabe!
It's against Kent Montalvo, but he was
Oh.
able to escape that one.
Bastos naman yung layup na yun. Harap-harapan from Gian Cruz. And look at Montalvo, gustong bumawi. Di na nga lang nila mabigay.
Garcia. Oh!
Good defense by Ramonchito.
Wow! What a beautiful move from JD Harlego.
Parang regalo kay Harlego yun, di ba? Nawala na, turnover na dapat.
Tsaka
Tinalaglag
nandun
na
siya
lang
sa
eh.
dulo.
Ay, no.
Take a beautiful move. Diba?
Nasa
There's a-
labas na eh. Pagpasa, hindi lang nakuha ni Di Marukot na andun na kay Harlego for the easy deuce.
13-7. 6-point lead, Gian Cruz. Back to Perez. Back to Rodriguez.
Sa sobrang ingay dito ng crowd, di na natin marinig yung pito na referee. That's playoffs for you. Paano pa kaya pag umabot ng finals ng APALIT, di ba?
Baka hindi na talaga tayo magkarinigan. Todo volume na tayo dito.
Daig pa yun
Actually, di ba,
parang sa Malolos.
sakto pala yung turo mo sa akin ng volume
I
dito.
told you. Napag-eksperimentohan ko na yan. Thank you to Malolos Republic Dramas.
Grabe din yun eh.
Oo.
Rodriguez!
Oh, good defense. Good defense. Grabe. Yung depensa na ito ni Justin Cruz, talagang inasawa na si Ramonchito.
Hindi niya binitawan eh. Sideline inbound. What will Bayung Porac do? Whew, what a great D for Charles Dizon. Edmar Dizon rather. Ang dami kasing Dizon dito sa Delta
Actually, marami dito.
na pagpapalit ko na sila.
Sa Pampanga, maraming Dizon, Santos, di ba?
Let's give a good credit dito yung APALIT for that defense. Hindi na, oh! Justin Cruz delivers the first triple.
And actually, this is my favorite part sa mga APALIT games. Asaran ng crowd.
Really?
Yun yung gusto ko.
Really?
Oh.
There's a whistle. May tapik on that defense.
Alam mo kung hindi nandito yung si lead official Anthony Roque sa tapat natin, hindi ko malalaman na may foul. Hindi ko narinig yung pito. Nakataas na lang yung kamay niya. Doon ko
Take a
nalaman.
look here. Justin Cruz from way downtown finds the bottom of the net, makes it swish. Gives APALIT their first three-point shot of the ball game.
Coach Arvin Ibay, a genius head coach in terms of rotating yung mga guards. Pareho, Coach Arvin Ibay and Coach Zaldi Messina, pareho silang magaling mag-rotate ng mga gwardya. Ako personally, I think magkakatalo na lang sa bigs, sa big man. Yung Makapagal, Montalvo, Silvestre kontra Gian, Cruz, Canlas na front court dito ng Bayong Porac, di ba? It's gonna be the big men ang magiging big factor dito.
It's almost an advantage na rin, no, para sa panig ng APALIT. Ang dami mong big man eh. Samantalang this guy, itong Bayong Porac, they only have Gian Cruz. I mean, they also have another, but
Si
Gian
Canlas.
Cruz has been the
Canlas.
dominant
Yes.
over Canlas.
Yes,
On
and
majority of their game.
pag kasi si Stanley Canlas pumasok, ma-undersized siya, as we can see dito. Dito yung foul, o sabit na sabit si Double Team. Si ano doon, Perez, Hans Perez doon.
It sends Dizon to the free throw line. First shot is no good for Edmar Dizon. 3.4 seconds remaining for our first quarter.
Oh, wala pa rin.
2 out of 3 for now para kay Edmar Dizon. So we can see here, the head coach is Zaldi Messina. Oh, 1 out of 3. 15 to 11 with only 3.4 seconds remaining.
Sobra.
Oh, what a great D for APALIT. What a first quarter.
Especially for Bayong Porac, di ba? Everything we said that Bayong Porac needs to do. Gumana yung Tubangi, gumana yung Gigante, and Gian Cruz has to be dominant. Damay pa natin, Rafa Kapulong, di ba?
First triple of the ball game. Care of Rafa Kapulong. Ooh, Enzo, ayun ang inantay mo. Kala mo in the dunk doon. You can't
Nakala ko palagit.
Parang may spring. Ang tangkad na niya. Ang lakas. Taas pa niya tumalon. And that
Mahaba pa.
selfless dime from Tubangi. Here are the three-point shot from Cruz. Makes this ball game 4-point lead advantage for Bayong Porac at the end of the first quarter. 50 to 11.
You break. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas. Labanan ng bilis. Gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Inter-Municipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
As we can see here, Joren Gigante, one of the players of Bayung Porac that has been so dominant in all the aspects of basketball. Nakipagtawanan ka naman sa referee
Kulit ni
natin.
Anthony Roque. Oh, good up fake.
Oh,
Yun nga lang.
napalakas.
Oo. He was expecting contact itong si Cruz. Na-expect niya may sasabay sa kanya, may contact na iba to agad niya eh. Open look for Ramoncito.
Oh, that is short for Ramoncito.
Oh!
Sina ba yan? Kung si Khaled Makapagal.
Siguraduhin mo na if you're Stanley Canlas, di ba? Hard foul na binigay niya eh. Playoff foul na eh. Sigurado, hindi niya finaul yun. Nasa YouTube na siya ngayon, nasa poster na siya. Tinan mo yung buwelo. Alam mong gusto ring isalambak na ito ni Khaled Makapagal eh.
It sends Khaled Makapagal. Khaled
Khaled ba, Khaled?
Caleb daw sabi ng arena announcer
Sige.
natin.
Ano eh. Fancy si Kuya Rob.
Pero when I was
Fancy.
able to cover APALIT, I was always saying Khaled
Khaled, di
Makapagal.
ba? Parang... Hindi, tanong na lang natin mamaya. Oh, 1 for 2 siya dun sa free throw line.
Makapagal back to Dizon.
That's the weakness of the zone. That's the weakness of the zone. Mabigay mo yung bola sa gitna, it can collapse the defense. And great recognition by Makapagal na nag-collapse sa kanya, binalik niya agad dito kay Dizon.
Edmar Dizon, the second triple of the ball game for APALIT.
Bang!
Sumagot si Joren Gigante. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Bayong Porac.
Grabe yung bawi ni Joren Mark Gigante, ha?
3-point shot again. Oh! JD Arlego! Umuulan ng 3-point shot dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Gigante again. No good this time. Oh, Dizon for the rebound. Oh! Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh, buti ka na. And look at the reaction of the mayor of APALIT, Mayor Tetangco. Napatayo dun sa sequence na yun. Mayor Jun Tetangco tumayo at napapalakpak sa effort ng kanyang mga bata rito.
You know, APALIT team is indeed a strong and a tough team. But when it comes to the momentum, sa changes ng momentum, it has been the problem of APALIT. I love it.
Oo.
Because it was the main problem of their loss
Yes.
against Calugoran Santa Rita and Angeles City Red Warriors.
Yes. And actually, sa Angeles City game, ang pumatay sa kanila, si Kid Estalilia, di ba? And Kid Estalilia is a scorer, a great passer, just like Double T, di ba? Ang pinagayaba lang ni Kid and ni Tristan, athletic masyado. Speaking of athleticism, look at that pass by Ramonchito Rodriguez to Gian Cruz.
Makes that an easy basket for Gian Cruz.
Grabe yung hang time niya doon to adjust in mid there. But like I said, di ba? Si Estalilia, athletic scorer, great passer. Si Double T, hindi man siya kasing taas tumalon ni Estalilia, pero pareho sila halos ng laro. So, one thing for APALIT, for Coach Saldi Messina, tinitingnan niya siguro na, oh, parang may Estalilia itong kalaban natin. Dalawa pa.
But take a look here. Ooh, that pass. Nag-half time muna si Ramonchito bago niya
Diba?
ipasa yun eh. Sear. Gigante.
Offensive foul.
There's an offensive foul
Ward
against
off.
Zoran Gigante.
Kitang-kita na kukunin dapat ni Cruz yung bola, binaba niya yung kamay ni Cruz. Right in front of the referee.
And right in front of us.
Oo. Kahit nakita natin siya. I knew the call.
Harlego to Dizon.
Taas. Too high.
Napalakas yung pasa dito ni Dizon.
Kalata niya si Montalvo yung na andun.
Nakaupo.
Oo, nakaupo pa ngayon si Montalvo.
John Mirabel checks in for APALIT. A 2-point lead for Bayung Porac. Tristan Tubangi working with Joran Gigante, Rafa Capulo, Gian Cruz, and Nino Vasquez. A traveling for Tristan Tubangi.
Good call by our officials doon. Yun yung mga pito minsan na, ano ba, pipituan mo ba na foul or traveling? And clearly, traveling dito si Tubangi.
There's a substitution on the floor. Dairit checks in for JD Harlego. Oh. Oh! Miss pass! Oh, a bad pass. Nakaharap kasi si Nino Vasquez kay John Mirabel. 4-point lead for Bayung Porac with 6 minutes and 40 seconds on the game clock.
Oh, miss
13
pass na
on the
naman.
shot clock. Mirabel, makapagal for 3.
Sipag nito nila Kapulong. tsaka ni,
Kapulong for the
Rodriguez,
rebound. Gigante, oh, almost an alley-oop play. But a miss pass for Joran Gigante.
Taas na nga tumalon ni Rodriguez eh. Mas mataas yung pasa, di ba? Miscommunication that time. Neto na naman yung zone defense ng Bayong Porac. There you go.
Dizon.
There should be a man in the middle sa may free throw line area.
Oh, what a beautiful dime. Oh, nice putback from John Mirabel. The hustle of APALIT, I love it. Gigante trying to go for a 3. Oh, nice
Agaw.
steal.
Makapagas on his left.
To Dairit. But there is Khaled Makapagal for the putback.
And look at that, Mayor Jun Tatenko clapping for his team right there.
5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. We're tied at 22. So take a look here.
Yes. Look at this good pass right here
Dive
by
of Dizon
Dizon.
to Dairit.
But trailing the play itong si Dairit, and that's why tuwan-tuwa si Mayor Jun Tetangco right now.
That's why it alarmed Coach Arvin Ibay. Timeout on the floor. 5 minutes and 42. We're tied at 22.
Handa na ba kayo para sa ating Kiss Cam? Pagkakataon na to, pare pakita ang pagmamahal sa pamagitan ng alin. Kiss! Kiss! Huwag ka na mahiya, kuya. Kiss mo na si ate. Kiss naman dyan. Metong lang, metong. Salang kiss. Yun. Yun. Alright. Nakalpong
Ang tamis sa
salamat.
loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Naibalik yung kiss cam. Naibalik yung kiss cam.
But going back to our ball game, we're tied at 22 with 5 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. 15 seconds on the shot clock for Bayung Porac. Rafa Capulong. That is long for Rafa.
Look at the way APALIT played their defense. Active hands. If you're a coach right now, nagtuturo ka ng mga bata, that is the specific defensive play na papakita mo. Active lahat. Winawagay-way yung kamay. Nakataas lahat ng kamay nila. Active defense ang tawag doon. No one was lazy on the part of APALIT. Great defensive stance that time. And speaking of active,
John Mirabel was too long on that shot.
look at
There
that
was
here.
Dairit coming off the bench.
Kita mo.
Cruz for three, not his usual shot. That is
Oh,
long.
double T.
Tristan Tubanki gets Lendl Garcia and Khaled Macapagal.
Actually, kanina yung Finan, di ba? Nakita natin si Mayor Jun Tetangco nandyan. Actually, buong LGU ng APALIT nandirito
Actually,
nanonood.
here at our back, if I am not mistaken,
Andito si Vice Mayor Peter Nucom, si Municipal Secretary Glenn Danting, Board Member Gabby Mutok, Councilor Elias Mendoza III, former SK President Allen Dungo, and current SK President Nicolo Nucom is here, di ba? Ganun, buong LGU ng APALIT nandirito to watch etong game nila.
and of course, let's not forget that our very own and beloved governor of the province
Of
of
course.
Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, is present here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention
Of
Center
course.
to watch this beautiful main game. What a put back for John Mirabel.
2
Lendl
seconds.
Garcia. Oh, but Mirabel is
Oh,
there
good
again.
block! Good block by Serrano.
Aldrin.
Just
not
Jay
Aldrin
Serrano.
Jay Serrano.
Ibang team yun.
It's Florida back.
I understand.
And
Ang dami.
mentioning Serrano. Enzo
Kamay mo si
Serrano is
Enzo.
also there. A part of the champion team, Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
And former champion sa UAP for Lasal, di ba? Bago
Of course.
tong year na to manalo Lasal, siya yung huli na nag-champion doon.
Exactly. Zian Cruz. Oh! Great D from Yuri Masibak. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. We're still tied at 24. Nagpapalitan ng 2 puntos ang parehong kukunan, Enzo.
I don't even know what's happening sa sobrang
Miss
wild na
pass.
sequences.
Lendl Garcia
Oh, good
to
pass.
Yuri Masibak. But a sorry miss for Yuri Masibak.
Paano niya nakuha yun? Uh-oh!
Oh!
Uh-oh!
There you have it!
Sayang!
Sorry miss for Kent Montalvo, but Yuri Masibak is still there.
Isa pa!
Montalvo.
Isa pa daw!
And that time, the crowd of APALIT goes wild after the shot from Kent Montalvo.
Bawi to si Gian.
Gian Cruz. Porac trying to go for
Oh, good
three.
move. Good
But
move!
no, Rafa Capulong goes for an easy basket. We're
Great
still
attack.
tied at 26 with 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Lendl Garcia. Direct. Oh, ang haba ng kamay doon ni Kent Montalvo.
Tingnan mo ba naman yung effort doon ni Montalvo? Really trying to push the pace dito. Trying to wake up itong APALIT I Love It.
4-man up top, pero siya pa din ang nakakuha doon, ha? Three minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Kent Montalvo on the free throw line. Is this their chance para mapunta sa kanila ang kalamangan? 1 point is still a lead. A lead is still a lead. But Kent Montalvo misses that first shot. That's 1 out of 2 for Kent Montalvo. Tubangi. Where will double T go? Tristan to Capulong. Capulong to Cruz. Cruz asking for help. Oh, Cruz back to Capulong.
Good steal.
Yuri Masibak.
Good pass. Yun lang.
Sorry, miss for Lender Garcia. But look at Yuri Masibak being so active on stealing. Let's take a good credit of this guy, Yuri Masibak. Of course, Coach Arvin Ibay. They have been so dominant. With 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for our first half.
The referees are talking to the table officials as well as Coach Arvin Ibay. The situation here is I'm looking at the official lineup what we have right here. Wala yung number 0 na si Gigante sa lineup nila ngayon. Dito sa official lineup that we have been provided, walang, isa lang Gigante, si Joren lang. Number 0 na Gigante, wala sa lineup and he's on the floor.
Of course, binibigay ang lineup before the ball game. And of course, 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. No number 0 in our official lineup, handed to all of the table officials, as well as down to the panel. The only Gigante right here is Joren Gigante.
Coach, look at that, Coach Arvin to the table officials.
It could have been a sorry mistake for Coach Arvin Ibay, as our tournament commissioner already approached the table official.
They're trying to clarify something.
Of course, sinusunod natin kung ano ang nasa official lineup
Yes,
that is
nasa official
handed.
lineup. There's only one Gigante sa lineup natin dito on the paper. And ang ano din niya kasi, the stats and everyone else here pare-pareho. And so you can see, Mayor Tetangco on your screens, Mayor June, always present dito, di ba? Lagi siyang present sa lahat ng games ng APALIT I Love It. And I like the fact na he is very passionate when it comes to the basketball program dito ng APALIT.
As we can see here, Mayor June Tetangco approaches the bench of APALIT I Love It. He has been present every game since the elimination.
Oo, laging ano yan, active, di ba?
Mayor June Tetangco of APALIT Pampanga.
Kahit busy, he's always here. And actually, nakita ko siya kanina doon sa likod. While before the game, hinadel niya yung mga players nila. And I sort of heard the word, have fun.
Because, you know, Enzo, during their loss against Calgoran Santa Rita, their huddle after the post-game has been so
Look at that. Mayor
long.
June kumaway sa mga taga-APALIT fans, di ba?
Has been so long. And Mayor June was there at that
Yes.
post-game huddle. And it was a heartbreaking
And
loss.
look at him! Pinapacheer ang crowd dito ng APALIT.
It's not the playoffs atmosphere, Enzo. It's almost a championship atmosphere.
Eh, tingnan mo ba naman kasi,
let's take a look here.
Look
It's
at that.
a very fun night
Of all
inside
ages.
the BREN
Of
GUIAO.
all ages. May mga bata pa, may mga babies pa, di ba?
You know, that is how Kabalen and Kapampangan supports the basketball. As there is an official decision.
May ano nakalagay, Victoria Stride Drummers. May pangalan sila.
Nag-practice yan kanina dun sa labas.
Ah, sila ba yung narinig ko? Okay. Sila pala yun ng Game 3. To check out right here, Coach Arvin Ibay still livid on the sidelines.
It's 2 minutes and 47 seconds. They're still arguing on what happened. What mistake could it have been?
Actually, they're arguing amongst themselves.
take a look here.
Oo, the entire coaching staff is arguing amongst themselves dito. And some of the players medyo pumapagitna na sa kanila.
Coach Arvin Ibay.
Emotions are high. This is the playoffs na kasi. As right here, I think they've sorted things out na dito sa ating laro. They've whistled the buzzer na.
As we can see here
Yeah,
on the screen,
ang
sa sobrang tangkad.
The MVP.
And the pride of Pampanga Giant Lanterns, and of course, the whole province of
Yan talaga
Pampanga.
yung giant. Literal na giant lantern.
Justin Baltazar.
Yan talaga yung literal na giant lantern. Pero Gian Cruz, di ba? Kahit nagkalol, focus pa rin si Gian eh. Ano, parang sabi ni Gian Cruz, I don't care kung nagkainitan ng mga coaching staff ko. Ako, lalaro ako.
Go back here.
Oh, wow!
Oh! What a beautiful move from Yuri Masibak. 3-point shot. Goes off to the right. Yuri Masibak.
Masipag.
Sobrang
Grabe.
sipag.
Look
Lendl
at that.
Garcia.
Open look.
Libre from way. Off to the right. Rebound by Dairit. Back to Masibak.
Nihingi ni Montalvo, di nila mabigay.
Masibak to Dairit. Goes to Masibak once again. Oh, what a pass. Napalakas doon yung pasa ni Yuri Masibak kay JP Maglalang. Is the biggest lead of APALIT. 1 point. Against Bayung Porac with 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining. The double T.
That's crazy now. The biggest lead of APALIT is just 1 point, di ba? This is the biggest lead that they have had.
While itong Bayung Porac have the lead of 6 points.
Yes, kanina, di ba?
Ating
Early
first
on.
quarter. Actually, Bayung Porac is indeed a strong team as well as APALIT that goes in and out.
Look at that.
Gian Cruz!
Vasquez, parang alam mo, nagwa-volleyball eh. Tapik-tapik lang hanggang sa mapunta kay Gian Cruz yung bola. And even Vasquez was laughing. Naisahan niya APALIT rebounders doon.
1 minute left for our first half. Yuri Masibak. Oh! Nakita mo yun?
Grabe. Grabe itong si Yuri Masibak. Split the defense. Dalawa na nga umakap sa kanya para hindi na niya masud yun. Na-power through pa niya.
Natakasan pa niya yun.
Ibang klase.
Hindi niya natakasan rather. He was able to break that
Look at
two
that, though.
defenders. May humabol pang pangatlo doon.
The skill level of this kid, Yuri Masibak. And bagay na, we talked about Gigante and Double T for Bayung Porac in tandem nila. We haven't talked about Masibak and Lendl Garcia tandem, di ba? Yun din eh, Yuri Masibak and Lendl Garcia. That tandem is a killer tandem. Para din sa APALIT, I love it.
Exactly the point. And inbound for Bayung Porac, Tristan Tubangi. Gusto pang kunin doon ni Yuri Masibak. The biggest lead APALIT has right now is 2 points. Gian Cruz, where will he go to? 13 on the shot clock. Tristan.
Good pass.
Oh, Gian Cruz. Up top, there is a whistle against Khalid Macapagal.
That's one way. If you want Gian Cruz to dominate, ibigay nyo ng ibigay sa kanya. Hinanap talaga siya ni Tubangi sa ilalim. And look at that, Gian Cruz, alam niya tatalon to pareho si Montalvo at si Macapagal. And he drew the foul on Caleb Macapagal.
A pretty good eye for Tristan Tubangi. Alam niyang hinahanap niya na doon yung sentro niya eh. So out of 2. Tristan Tubangi. There's Khalid Macapagal.
Sino naman ang una?
Yuri Masibak, libreng-libre.
Grabe. Diba? I mean, this Yuri Masibak kid has impressed me every time he plays on the floor. Scorer siya, pero pag hindi siya nakakashoot, he does the dirty work. Kanina, offensive rebound. He finds his teammates and he plays defense well. Oh, good block.
There's almost 3 seconds for our first half. There's no time for Tristan Tubangi to be able to put it on a basket.
Coach Arvin Ibay asking for a foul dun sa atake earlier ni Gian Cruz, but clean block yun. So good adjustment galing dito sa panig ng APALIT I Love It as magbabaon sila ng 4 na puntos na kalamangan after nag-apoy na yung mga kamay nila Montalvo, Masibak, and syempre ito nga si Caleb Makapagal dito as we can see some of this third quarter highlights. But guys like Rafa Kapulong para sa Bayung Porac are still scoring dito. That's why dikit pa rin. It's just a 2-possession ball game after 20 minutes of action. Dito nga sa ating main event game of the 2024 Delta Cup, 34-30 in favor of APALIT I Love It. Kaya kapit lang po mga kabalin, magbabalik tayo dito sa ating main event game of the quarterfinals round 1 of the 2024 Delta Cup.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, They vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Pampanga, known as the culinary
Maya pa, Bengi, mga kabalin. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024. At the end of the first half, APALIT with 34 points and BAYUNG PORAC with 30. But before we go back to our ballgame, ito muna ang ating Delta Cup interviews at the half. Here beside me is the Vice Mayor of APALIT Pampanga, Vice Mayor Peter Nucom. Magandang gabi po.
Ay, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Vice Mayor, we are jam-packed here by the supporters at mga mamamayan po ng APALIT Pampanga. What brings you po being so much supportive para sa APALIT I Love It coming to the first season ng ating Delta Cup?
Alam po namin, alam natin yung bayan ng APALIT basta sa sports, no? Lalong-lalo na sa basketball. Talagang kami ay nagkakaisa, no? Talagang walang akot yan. Ano talaga yung kumbaga, yung pumunta sila dito para manood, para sumuporta sa bayan ng APALIT.
Now, Vice Mayor, I'll just ask you, being so supportive in the basketball community of mga kabalin, ano po ba, meron po ba kayong sports or basketball project? What is waiting for APALIT?
Of course, no? Meron tayong preparation, lalong-lalo na sa mga tournament, no? So, ang ating MJDT's Cup, no? Talagang yung 21 under ay talagang nagpiprepare kami para sa ganon. Kapag nagpatawag ang ating governor na ang tournament ng sa provincial, ay kami ay laging handa.
Now, Vice Mayor, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, and to all the constituents that is supporting APALIT I Love It right now.
And of course, una sa lahat, no, nagpapasalamat kami, lalong-lalo na sa ating buting mayor, no? Mayor Jun Tetangco, sa kanyang 100 support, lalong-lalo na sa bayan ng APALIT, sa ating administrator, Sec Lendanting, sa staff ng ating team ng APALIT I Love It, ay talaga po na nagkakaisa para manalo dito sa laban na to.
Thank you so much, Vice Mayor, and I'm wishing you a good luck and the rest of the APALIT I Love It for the rest of this ballgame. Once again, that's Vice Mayor Peter Nucom of APALIT Pampanga. Now back to you, Enzo.
Thank you so much, Pen, and thank you so much, Vice Mayor Peter Nucom of APALIT Pampanga. And ito nga ang APALIT I Love It, lamang na 4 na puntos, 34 to 30 at the half kontra sa BAYUNG PORAC. What a crazy first half of the good start. Itong BAYUNG PORAC via Rafa Capulong and Double D Tristan Tubangi. But bigla na lang nagising towards that second quarter. Itong sila Yuri Masibak, Ket Montalvo, and siyempre the rest of the players nitong APALIT I Love It. Lahat sila halos umambag dito. Kaya nga, lamang na 4 na puntos itong APALIT I Love It right now. But still, 20 minutes of action natitira dito sa ating laro. And masakasagot na ba kung makaka-qualify na ba ang APALIT I Love It sa second round ng quarterfinals, or will BAYUNG PORAC live to fight another game? As we can see, the leading scorers dito, Yuri Masibak leads APALIT with 7 points, Caleb Makapagal with 6, Kent Montalvo with 5 points para sa APALIT I Love It. Para naman sa BAYUNG PORAC, Gian Cruz with 10, Jordan Gigante with 5, and Rafa Capulong with 5 points dito. So we will see what will happen in this second half, and expect explosion dito, mga kabalin, dahil nga this is the half where both of these teams are going to start.
Penelope Wilhelmina still joined by Enzo Galarosa for second half. BAYUNG PORAC kontra APALIT I Love It. As Rafa Capulong for the sideline inbound. 4-point lead for APALIT at the end of the first half. Tristan. Ooh, nice dive. There's a basket and one for Gian Cruz.
It's the right play galing dito kay Nino Vasquez. Wala siyang angle doon to shoot. Inangat na lang niya, and great finish by Gian Cruz against 2 defenders. See if he can complete the 3-point play. Good start coming out of the half para dito sa panig ng BAYUNG PORAC.
Speaking of Gian Cruz, he already has 10 points for the end of the first half. Makes it 12. 34 to 33. 3-0 run. Landal Garcia, back to Montalvo. Ooh, Montalvo for 3. Not his usual shot. Ramoncito to Tubangi. Tubangi back to Rodriguez. Rodriguez in and out. Montalvo for the rebound.
Oh.
Tumulas na ngayon sa kamay ni Kent Montalvo. Montalvo
Rebound na
again.
naman niya.
Lendl Garcia. Ooh.
Oh, sorry, miss right there. Kanila pa rin. Oh, good block by Gian.
Garcia for the jumper. He knocks his first field goal. As he already played 14 minutes and 48 seconds for the first half. Gian Cruz to Rodriguez. No look pass from double T. Lendl Garcia
Same spot.
again.
Same spot, same result para dito kay Garcia.
8 minutes and 17 seconds. Tubangi.
Good pass. Great no call there by our referees. Taas kamay lang yung depensa nung dalawang matangkad nitong kapalit na si Macapagal and Montalvo.
38-33. 5-point lead. The biggest lead for Apalit. Masibak. Ang masipag na player for Apalit right now. Back to Masibak. Masibak. Libreng-libre. That is short for Yuri Masibak. Oh! Ito yung rebound ni Montalvo.
Ito na naman. Good pass.
Lendl Garcia. Still long. Khalid Macapagal on the rebound. Back to Yuri Masibak. Against 4.
Great attack there by Masibak. Nakita niya, butas yung gitna. Inatake niya after the up fake. Beautiful pirouette move in the layup, as we can see.
The head coach and the governor of the province of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, together with Mayor Jun Tetanco of Apalit, Pampanga. 38-33, still the biggest lead for Apalit. With 7 minutes and 18 seconds. 0 out of 2 for Yuri Masibak. As first quarter, it's 3 out of 5 for Yuri Masibak. Gigante. Good steal from Lendl Garcia. Ooh, nice bounce pass. A miss for Masibak.
And one. And one.
Lendl Garcia has been quiet in the first quarter. In the first half, rather. But there he is right now. Look at that. Yuri, Lendl Garcia.
Great
Right,
finish.
exactly.
Great finish right there and great extra pass sana pero hindi nga lang na-finish, but that time saving the day etong si Lendl Garcia.
40-33 as 6 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. An 8-point lead para dito sa panig ng Apalit. It's timeout on the floor.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
As we can see here, care of the last shot, Lendl Garcia has been so quiet on the first quarter. The first half, rather, of this ball game. As ito, January 25, he scored 20 points itong last game nila on February 9. 23 points, you know. Double digit for Lendl Garcia. Not only a good point guard.
Look at him, the leader of this team. Pagbaba niya, agad-agad sinabi niya sa mga teammates niya, depensa lang talaga. Look, nakakaalagwa na sila eh.
Rebound for Khalid Macapagal. Lendl Garcia again. Back to Makapagal. To Masibak. Masibak.
Good pass, sayang.
Good pass sana yun kay Kent Montalvo.
Yun ang good pass talaga.
They needed it. The biggest lead APALIT has was 9 points. Now it's down to 7. Lendl Garcia. Where will he go to? To Yuri Masibak. Ooh. Back to Lendl Garcia. There is a whistle.
Sideline inbound lang to dahil off the pass yun. Take a look at this beautiful dime galing kay Nino Vasquez.
No look. Was able to escape JP Maglalang on that one. Lendl Garcia. For 3. Still no good for Lendl. There's a pushing foul against Kent Montalvo. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. 42 to 35. 7-point lead for APALIT. Kapulong. Let's mention Enzo, wala pala dito si Tristan Tubangi.
Yes. Kanina kasi nakuha na niya yung foul niya. Pero tinan mo, napatakbo agad itong si Makapagal, di ba?
Look
Great
at
trail
here.
job.
You have JP Maglalang, Kent Montalvo, and Khaled Makapagal on the floor. Samahan mo pa ng Yuri Masibak and Lendl Garcia connection. Kapulong, that's long.
Oh, look at Stanley with the rebound.
Against 3. Tatlong matatangkad yung nakaabang sa kanya yun eh. Isa sa likod, kanan, tsaka sa kaliwa.
Out of nowhere, tatalo na lang ito si Stanley Canlas. And can he be the guy? Dahil nga medyo na-shutdown yung iba. Even Gian Cruz, hirap din dito. Spark plug off the bench. Itong si Stanley Canlas for the entire season for Bayung Porac.
Nag-iba yung momentum nila pagpasok natin dito sa second half. As asong si Stanley Canlas, just played 2 minutes and 27 seconds para sa ating first half. Usually, he has been one of the scorers for Bayung Porac. 5 minutes and 11 seconds. Lendl Garcia. To Montalvo. Back to Garcia. Asking for help.
Open sana si
Montalvo.
Makapagal sa ilalim.
Back to Garcia. Almost a miss for Garcia. That is short for Dizon. He knew it. Nasipa niya dun eh.
First to the floor mentality dapat yan. That's championship attitude right there from Garcia. Yun nga lang, kickball ang napito.
Sideline inbound for Bayung Porac.
Oh, Naku is on the floor for the first time.
He checks in. Ooh, Gian Cruz. Sorry, miss. Still no. Ooh,
Good steal.
Stanley Canlas. Easy basket for Stanley Canlas.
Yan ang favorite tandem dito ni Nino Vasquez. Stanley Canlas talaga. Kasi it gives him another energy guy na makakasabay niya sa talunan, takbuhan. Right there, good connection from Vasquez and Canlas.
Dizon. Off to the left. Ooh. Oh, nice dive.
Again, like, look at that. Kitang-kita alam na agad ni Vasquez eh.
Stanley, that is short. Silvestre to Lendl Garcia.
Clear foul.
Tapang ni Lendl doon.
Hindi mo pwedeng banggain ng bewang yung offensive player and tabingi din kasi si Naku that time.
Ooh, double T checks in. As Harlego checks in again for APALIT. Seven-point lead. Let's see, is this a 2 out of 2 for Lendl? 1 out of 2 for Lendl Garcia. But rebound Di Silvestre. Lendl again. Dizon to Harlego. Harlego with a jumper. That is long. Silvestre on the rebound.
Natamaan natin si Tubangi. He's literally walking down with one eye open. And yet, sayang.
Ganda na sana,
Oo.
kahit one eye lang.
On target pa rin yung pasa.
Harlego. To Montalvo. To Garcia. Montalvo. Ang ganda ng buwelo ni Kim.
Wow! Iniwas.
8-point lead for APALIT. Their biggest lead was 9. As we take a look here. What a pass from Lendl to Montalvo. Three-point. That is long. Montalvo for that rebound.
Tumatalo na lang sa kung saan-saan to si Montalvo eh.
Back to Harlego. Lendl is looking for a free man. Harlego. Substitution again. Cruz checks in for Lendl.
Open look.
Ooh.
Yun nga lang, stepping pala siya sa labas.
Bagong pasok kasi. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining.
Look at the length ni Silvestre commanding that painted area.
Ooh.
There you go. There's the tandem. Canlas and Vasquez.
A miss for Vasquez, pero nandun si Stanley for that putback. Dizon. To Cruz. Back to Dizon. Balik kay Cruz ang bola.
Good D by Vasquez.
One minute and 35 seconds. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng APALIT.
Oh no,
Ooh.
miscommunication there. I saw it. Cruz wanted, and Tubangi wanted a pick and roll. Walang gumalaw, and Canlas just went to that area. Dapat nasa corner si Canlas.
Nagtaka din dun si Stanley and then to Tristan Tubangi. Dizon to Silvestre. Silvestre with a jumper.
Too long. Too strong.
It's not his usual shot.
Oo. Doon talaga siya sa loob lumalaro eh. That's the shot. If you're Bayung Porac, yun yung gusto mong ibigay sa APALIT. Na si Silvestre at titira ng jumper.
Tristan to Gian Cruz. Cruz against Cruz.
Agaw.
Easy fast break for Edmore Dizon.
Dizon na naman. It's either Masibak or Dizon or Garcia. Either one of those three. Oh! Oh! Sayang! Pinagpulot ng barya nito. Tubangi dun si Cruz, ha? And hit the jumper. Yun nga lang, hindi counted. But yeah. If we have a replay of that, please see. Can we see that again?
Please, Emerson.
Ayan na. Pulot barya eh. Oh! Even some of the APALIT fans wouldn't add on that replay. Thank you, Emerson. Ating napakalapit na slow-mo. Operator Emerson Molieno.
49 to 43. 6-point lead for APALIT with 41.9 seconds. Dizon. To Harlego. Almost a steal for Canlas. But Cruz, libreng-libre. Silvestre. Back to Dizon.
Ang tangkad nitong Silvestre.
Ayun na.
Oh, nearly.
Oh, taas tumalon naman yun ni Cruz.
Good give and
Oh!
go. Sayang lang.
Nice pass by Vasquez. Nagre-reklamo. Itong
Entire
bench ng
bench.
APALIT.
They can't challenge it. May coaches challenge sila.
.8 seconds remaining.
And the pinaka-high note, if you're Bayung Porac,
Tubangi.
munti ka na.
No time for Khaled Macapagal. Para mababa pa niya yung bola doon. It's 49-43. 6-point lead for APALIT. What a third quarter. Let's take a look here. Vasquez, that beautiful dime. To Rafa Capulong, and here, Lendel Garcia knocks his first field goal of the ballgame. He does it twice. That missed pass of Silvestre makes it an easy layup for Stanley Canlas. Here, Kent Montalvo. What a beautiful drive from Kent Montalvo. Give a credit here. Dizon with a fast break makes it this ballgame 49-43, 6-point lead for APALIT as we approach the fourth and final quarter of the ballgame, 49-43.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
PBA Legends and Sinag Lakas 40 basketball exhibition game on March 10, 2024 at Paint Branch High School, Burtonsville, Maryland. Of course, our president and CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Ala, will be playing together with our Sinag Liga Asia Commissioner Rodney Santos, of course with EJ File and Alvin Patrimonio, together with John Ferrios. Definitely the legends of the PBA talaga.
I'm actually searching anong maganda makita dyan sa Burtonsville, Maryland. I just wanna see. Of course, siyempre, Maryland, nandiyan yung Baltimore, di ba? But yung Burtonsville, kasi this is the first time actually hearing Burtonsville. So, good pass, sayang.
Speaking of Baltimore, Maryland, taga doon yung interview ko na commissioner doon for
Si
PABL, for the Philippine
yeah.
and American Basketball League, Commissioner Eric Quintana.
Eric Quintana, yes. And I believe Coach Eric Quintana will bring a team here, di ba? Sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase.
Exactly. Take a look back here.
Oh, good pass.
Easy basket. 9 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
And
A
also, if
4-point
I'm not
lead.
mistaken, San Diego din natin. In-interview ko sa South Mall. SM South, nakalimutan ko yung
Nung
pangalan.
in-interview ko naman kasi si Coach Eric Quintana, yun yung time na binubuo pa lang yung showcase, yung Junior World Showcase eh. And now, it's finally coming.
Yes, and thank you so much to yung mga nagtiwalang coaches and also executives natin from the US, di ba, na spearheaded by Coach Eric Quintana, di ba? I mean, ang dami eh. 24 teams nga, di ba?
Tapos ilang araw lang yun, no? Grabe. Should go back here.
6 na araw lang eh. 18 to 23 lang yun eh.
Oh, Macapagal!
Sayang. I knew it was gonna be a miss kasi flat tire eh. Gusto niyang idakdak sana eh.
Rebound again for Macapagal. Dizon asks for the ball. Dizon to Cruz. In and out, but still Cruz on the rebound. Harlego asks for it. That is short.
Modern day basketball. Instead of running to the rim on a fast break, they run to the three-point land.
But the possession still on the side of APALIT.
And look at the entire bench ng APALIT telling them to calm down. Traveling.
Clearly a traveling violation.
I think yung PBA Legends and Sinag Liga Asia Tour, dadaan din ata ng New York.
Nakita ko dun sa poster that is posted
New York,
on our
diba?
page. Dami
Boss-
silang pupuntahan. Actually, 2 weeks sila dun eh.
Yes, oh. Boss Ray, picture lang with the Eiffel. Ay, ano yun, yung Statue of Liberty, please.
Tapos edit ka na lang.
Oo, hanggang ano na lang ako sa memories nila.
Rafa Capulong.
Oh, that looked good. That
Off to
looked
the
good when
left.
it left his hand, eh.
Sabi mo nga, nakakanin lang yung point of view natin
Oo.
dito.
I told you. Oh, wow! Grabe.
Grabe.
May masibak ka na kanina. Meron kang Lendel Garcia
May
ngayon.
Edmar Dizon
May
ka pa.
Dizon ka pa, di ba? Ito may nabangga na siya in mid-air. That actually hurts, ha? Masakit yung mga ganung bangga and yung pagbagsak niya. That actually hurts. And yet, tinan mo, tayo agad siya. Punta sa free throw line. Matitibay itong mga bata ng APALIT, eh. I really hope to, if there's Sinag Liga Asia coaches out there still recruiting for players sa 19 and 23 under natin. Take a look at these kids, please.
I'm not surprised if this Edmar Dizon, one of the players of both teams, will soon wear the jersey of Pampanga Delta.
No question.
They are worthy to wear that jersey. Rafa Capulong.
Ay, tinan mo pa naman yung upo ni Coach Pedic, eh. For sure, upong ano na yan, eh. Sino kaya?
Scouting. Yung upo
Oh!
nila.
Oh! Umarang. I told
Look
you.
at that one.
I knew it. That was disaster waiting to happen for Tubangi.
But
Look at that.
kailangan niya
Oo.
kasing i-contest eh.
Yung buwelo, eh. Hard foul na naman kanina. Ay, look at that. May stare down pa si Makapagal.
What a stare down from Khaled Makapagal.
I knew it. I knew he was going to leap for that. And Tubangi has no chance of getting it kapag umere na si Makapagal. Either foul him early or get out of the way. Look at that. Even Governor Dennis Delta Pineda with a smile on his face, diba? He is enjoying this game.
Everyone actually is enjoying this game. It's 56-45. 11-point lead for APALIT. Their biggest lead of the ball game.
I mean, I would love to personally ask Gov Delta na when he started his 2024 Delta Cup, did he see this? Diba? Did he see
Ang
this
dami
kind
pang
of
natatagong
atmosphere?
talent.
Oo.
And you know, not knowing that Johnston Baltazar and Enzo Serrano is here. Alam ko napapawaw din itong dalawang Pampanga Giant Lanterns player.
Totoo. And teammates yan sa pinagkita naman natin kanina, nag-champion sila sa Lasal. There were teammates there too.
As let's turn it over now to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang fourth and final report sa ating ballgame. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Pen. The motivation and effort of Yuri Masibak for today's game made him and his team be in the lead now. Kanina sabi ni Yuri, malaking tulong sa kanila yung moral support at presence ng kanilang fans, families, and mayor. Aside from that, his role as a player sa team, ginagampanan niya lang daw yun at kailangan niyang gawin ang mga pinapagawa nila coach sa kanya para manaig sila hanggang dulo. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank
Alam
you so
mo
much,
yung
MJ.
sinabi na yun ni Yuri Masibak? Thank you, MJ, ah. Yung sinabi na yun, mirrors another guy there, another lantern. Matatanda mo kasi ikaw nag-report doon na nasa sidelines ka. Kurt Rayson. Kurt Rayson said that and he's actually there beside Enzo Serrano. You were the one who reported that through sideline. I remember that kasi yun yung first game ni Kurt Rayson for Pampanga and you were nakaupo ka rin sa sidelines doon. O, di ba?
And Yuri Masibak, speaking of Yuri Masibak,
Alam mo, may script. Ay, hiniram siguro script ni Rayson. Hindi, joke lang. Hiniram siguro script ni Rayson.
you know, Yuri Masibak, nakita mo kung gaano siya. Di ba sabi mo nga kanina, ang sipag. Kasi stealing, assisting, scoring. Yuri Masibak has been all around us. 56-45 with 5 minutes and 47 as time on the floor.
You break. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter as SLA goes to Visayas for born 2004 and 2007 ngayong April 2024. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-asha-sports@gmail.com or contact our Sinag Liga Asha Deputy Commissioner for Visayas, Mr. Paul Haven.
Coach Paul, I miss you.
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo dati gusto ko makapartner si Coach Paul sa akin?
Oo.
Kasi hindi ko siya inabot nung...
Eh, ano na siya busy talaga siya. He's also the head coach of a college there sa Cebu, the University of San Carlos. So, talagang, speaking of, what a block there.
Naglalang to Garcia. Garcia, naratal siya doon.
Actually, tinignan niya kung nakatrail ba si Montalvo para i-lob. Pero counter right there by Ramoncito Rodriguez.
56-48 with 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. 14 on the shot clock. Almost a miss for Montalvo. Take a look here. That pass to Ramoncito from the left corner. Left wing, rather.
Oh, look at that.
Nakita mo yung talon ni Ramoncito.
Kaya nga leaping competition pataasan sila
Cruz to Lendl Garcia.
4 seconds.
4 seconds.
Wow! Wow!
What a miss for Lendl and a putback from Kent Montalvo. 58-48, back to 10-point lead. Rebound to JP Maglalang. Gian Cruz, Dizon rather. Lendl Garcia. Nice move from JD Harlego. Look at Gian Cruz. Showing a little emotion.
Pagod na rin yan I mean, Gian Cruz, a young guy, 18 years old, 18, 19-year-old pa lang ata yan. Napakabata pa ni Gian Cruz. Lots of potential. Ang laki na ng growth niya and improvement niya. But yun nga, being the lone big man dito para sa Bayung Porac, talagang mauubos ka at mauubos. Especially kung bibigyan ka, ang galing din naman kasi ng ginawa ni Coach Zaldi Messina Nakita niya, si Gian Cruz lang binababad dito ni Coach Arvin Ibay. Anong gagawin niya? Papakitaan niya ng iba't ibang looks. Andyan yung Silvestre na big man. Lalagay niya yung makapagal. Natatalunan siya ng tatalunan. Andyan yung Montalvo. Diba? Mapapagod ka kapag iba't ibang tao at iba't ibang type of big man makaharap mo. Andyan pa tong maglalang, diba? Mapapagod at mapapagod ka
Speaking of Gian Cruz at pagod niya, looking at the stat sheet, Enzo, 19 minutes and 57 seconds for the first half.
Ilang segundo lang ang inupo niya
3
sa
seconds.
3 seconds lang. I would like to ask paano siya umupo doon sa 3 seconds na yun. Pagpasok punas, balik. Diba?
Grabe. Kaya pala ganun na lang natin nakikita yung emotion ni Gian Cruz.
Oo. He's
Tubangi.
silent. Oh, wow! Grabe.
Much needed point for Tristan Tubangi.
This is still doable if you're Bayung Porac. 3 minutes and 38. 8-point lead. Lot of time pa to for them to come back.
Sir APALIT, hindi ka pwedeng kumalma dito. Hustle is hustle. Kailangan mong tapatan ang ginagawa ng Bayung Porac under their defense. Kent Montalvo.
If he hits this.
Not the usual talaga ng mga big man.
Actually, pag 4 on none. Wow! Oh! Ho, ho, ho!
Yung ine-expect mo, Enzo, na
Ay,
gagawin ng
Montalvo.
APALIT.
I did
And
not
for
see
the
that.
first time in Delta Cup,
This season hindi ko alam sa iba. But for the first time this season, may dumang na. Look at that. I was surprised that Nino Vasquez can sky that high. Look at that. Medyo napitawan ng konti, but still he was able to put it through. And actually, kaya siya kampante doon. Kasi nga, 6 na lang kanilang ang hinahabol ito. 58-52.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Of course, our games tomorrow for the second day of our quarterfinals. Our first game, in Bayung, Mexico kontra I Love San Simon. For game number 2, Level Up Lubao kontra 1 Magalang Basketball. Game number 3, Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo kontra Santa Ana United. For our main event, game number 4, Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca kontra Bayung Santol.
Meron ba dadagdag sa Minalin All-Stars kontra United Tumasan Ballers matchup?
Tingnan natin.
Ngayon, tsaka bukas ha. Oh, wow!
Yuri Masibak, speaking of.
Kakabalik pa lang ha. Kakabalik pa lang niya. At pamatay sunog yung timeout na yun ni Gonzalo de Messina. Nakakuha ng dunk. Etong si Nina Vasquez. May konting momentum Bayung Porac. Drawing siya ng play para kay Yuri Masibak. And tinan mo, basket and one. Great call out of the timeout for Coach Gonzalo de
They
Messina.
actually need to cut the momentum na nakuha nito ni Nina Vasquez on that dunk.
Napatahimik yung fans ng APALIT bigla eh. You have to wake them up once again.
Ian Cruz. Khalid Makapagal. 60-52, still an 8-point lead for APALIT.
Dito ako natutuwa sa mga big men netong APALIT eh. Matatangkad sila, matataas tumalon, pero kapag kailangan nilang humiga dun sa floor, kailangan nilang humiga, dumive para sa bola, gagawin nila. Walang karekla-reklamo. Yun yung tinatawag na walang star player mentality. Etong APALIT, I love it. They're one unit. As said kanina nung interview mo, di ba, ni Vice Mayor Peter Nucom, di ba? As one talagang APALIT.
Oh, traveling. 2 minutes and 18 seconds.
Pwede pa to. 8 points, 2 minutes and 18.
Mahaba pa.
Manageable na manageable pa
Yung
to.
mga seconds nga, kaya pa yung nahahabol pa eh.
Pero kailangan mag-init neto ni Joren Gigante. Tahimik na tahimik siya ngayon.
Nag-iba kasi yung momentum talaga nila, Enzo. Nung ipinasok yung isang gigante, di ba? Tapos, napansin ng table
Na-disarray sila eh. Pero ito may steal itong si Tubangi. Oh, good pass. Yun nga alam, protektado nila yung paint.
Kita mo yun, sino yun? Montalvo tsaka
Makapagal. Hindi ko I don't know how you do it na titira mo yun underneath those two long arms.
Hindi ko na alam kung sino nakatapik dun eh. Basta dalawa na sila dun eh.
Oo. That's where alam mong well scouted itong Bayung Porac. Good job by the coaching staff ng APALIT. Alam nila kung sino kailangan nila. Oh, wow! Ankle breaker off a rip through.
Tubangi, off to the center. Tumasibak. Grabe yung naging labanan nila doon.
Nagkakapisikalan na eh. Tubangi, you can see the frustration on Tristan's head na.
Ooh!
No call.
1 minute and 21 seconds remaining. The Manchita for 3. Off to the left.
They
Goes
don't
to
need
Ken
that yet.
Montalvo.
They don't need that yet. They could have still taking it to the middle. Pwede pa nilang iabante sa basket yun.
There's a whistle. 1 minute and 3 seconds.
And look at the
Still
fans.
an 8-point lead.
Look at the
APALIT.
fans sa APALIT, oh. Nagsasayaw na eh. It's Friday night, di ba? It's celebration time for the week, di ba?
And you can hear them inside the BREN Convention Center.
Well, of course, some disappointed fans on the side of Bayung Porac, but they fought their best, di ba, ngayong araw?
But
They
we're
really
still
fought
not
their
done.
hardest. Oh,
Enzo,
hindi pa
sabi ko
tapos
sa'yo,
to. A
Until
minute
you
and 3.
hear the final beat of the buzzer. Still 1 minute and 3 seconds.
Malayo
Mahaba-haba
pa to. Eh, yung Luwid-1 Kapampangan nga, di ba? Yung sa That's Love game nila.
Oo.
22 seconds, 6 points, di ba?
That scare off the APALIT player, Isaac Danting.
Oo, tas mintis pa dito para sa panig ng... Oh!
Pero may may whistle doon on that block. That
Okay.
rejection from Khalid Macapagal.
We will see it. Look,
Ito ang sinasabi nating mahaba pa
Oo.
ang 1 minute and 3 seconds.
let's take a look at it right here. Ang tanong ko dyan, is the foul gonna be on Macapagal or on Garcia? Kasi I saw Garcia did foul itong si Gigante. Tapos malinis yung huli sa taas ni Macapagal. So I believe it's on Garcia talaga. Kasi nga nag-swipe siya eh. Doon yung foul, doon yung pinito ng referee. Dahil penalty na nga. Diba? Dahil act of shooting foul yun. 2 free throws na bigay kay Gigante. But luckily for APALIT, isa lang na-meet ni Gigante.
56.4 seconds remaining. 7-point lead for Coach Arvin Ibay. Magkakaroon ba tayo ng pangalawang team na nag-book ng kanilang extended game on Sunday?
May dadamay pa ba sa laro ng Minalin tsaka United Tomasian Ballers?
What
Diba?
a first game, no? Para sa first quarterfinal.
First game pa lang, di ba, ginulat na agad tayo lahat. Actually, ewan ko ba if it's me? Kasi yung first game ng lakas ko rin na quarterfinals, 1 GDL tsaka Mapua 5-1. Courtside ka rin nun. So tayong dalawa ata siguro yung sumpa. Nangyari yun, di ba?
Mahaba talaga siguro yung laro pag tayong dalawa.
So alam mo na, dapat single man. Kanina, mabilis yung... dikit-dikit yung third game eh.
Third ticket din, napanood ko din eh.
Dapat, siyempre, you're a student. So I understand, di ba, na... Yan. Kagaya na itong mga batang to, di ba? For sure, estudyante din mga to, di ba?
Lendl Garcia against Tristan Tubangi. Working here
That
with
was a-
Montalvo, Yuri Masibak.
Duty foul na yan for Vasquez. Kasi ang gagawin na lang ng APALIT doon, uubusin na lang nila yung oras. They had the foul. And
Para
back
mas
on the
mapahaba
percentages.
pa yung oras
Oo.
eh.
Back on the percentages. Kasi itong APALIT, I love it. As good as a team they are, they're not a good team when it comes to three-point shooting. And yung free throw shooting nila, I would love to say na inconsistent. There will be games na halos lahat ng free throws masushoot nila. And there are games na hindi nila nasushoot yung free throws nila, di ba? Back on the percentages. Pero yung depensa, walang inconsistent dyan.
Nag-rattle doon si Khalid Macapagal. 37.1 seconds.
Akala din niya may kakampi siya dun eh. Buti na lang natapik nito ni Vasquez. Pwede niyang pulutin pero wala na siyang wala na siyang room, wala siyang kwarto. Kwarto tuloy.
Parang inaanto ka na.
Hindi eh.
Kwarto na natin.
Hindi kasi may kwarto dun eh. Kita mo may kwarto, may bukas na pinto, di ba? Para dun sa didiretso kasi.
Lopez for 3. Off to the right.
Volleyball save yun ah.
Pagod na din tong si Tristan Tubangi.
Oh, but look at that. The celebration now is starting for APALIT.
24.6.
And napangiti, actually
Seconds.
napangiti si Gob Delta nung tinuro ni Mayor June sa kanya yung mga fans, di ba? This is what I miss dito sa Pampanga. Playoffs dito sa Pampanga. Nakakamiss tong energy na to, tong passion nila for the game, di ba? This is what I miss dito. It's good to be back here in playoff time.
Lalo nung last week ng elimination. Naku,
Yun talaga.
grabe din. Para ka din nasa championship. That throw is no good for Lendl Garcia. 0 out of 2 for Garcia.
You have to convert if you're Bayung Porac.
Tristan to Lopez. Ayun na naman yung dalawa.
Nabother nilang dalawa. Walang naka-block pero dahil sa haba nila, naguluhan nila yung tira. And that'll do it na. White flag has been waved na. Congratulations to APALIT. I love it. The third team to qualify for the quarterfinals round 2. And siyempre, thank you so much sa panig ng Bayung Porac for giving us great memories dito sa Delta Cup natin. And siyempre, we will see you soon sa next Delta Cup. And hopefully, some of the players ninyo po ay maka-cover namin. Sinag Liga Asia, 19 under or 23 under. Grabe, what a performance from APALIT. I love it. Really showing dominance dito. Ibang klase. They now are victorious dito and will advance to the quarterfinals round 2 dito. And that is our final score, 61-53. An 8-point lead para sa panig ng APALIT. I love it. They will advance nga, as I said, at mag-aantay sila. Sino ba ang makakatapat nila from Bracket B. They will face the number 3 seed team doon sa Bracket B. And syempre ngayon, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba. From APALIT I Love It, Kent Montalvo. Kent, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Alam ko na ikaw talaga ang scorer dito pero pinakita mo yung all-around game mo. Rebound, lalong-lalo na yung defense. Doon ako mas na-impress. Sinabi mo ba sa sarili mo kanina bago yung laro na, okay, hindi tumatama yung shooting ko sa labas, di-depensa na lang ako?
Opo, sinabi ko po yung sa sarili ko. And sinabi din po sa akin ng mga coaches na idiretso ko po kasi hindi po nila ako binabantay.
Well, ngayon na nakakwalify na kayo sa quarterfinals, meron pa bang mga bagay na kailangan pang ayusin ang APALIT I Love It? And tingin mo, enough na yun para mapapunta kayo sa semifinal round?
Hindi pa po enough yun kasi kailangan pa po namin mag-proceed mag-proceed po.
Well, alam ko magpupursige kayo. Siyempre, maraming sumuporta at dumayo dito sa inyo, Kent. Bigyan mo naman sila ng thank you or even mga gusto mong mga batiin, bibigyan na kita ng chance ngayon. Go ahead.
Thank you po kila Seglen and kila Mayor na sumuporta and kay Gob po na pumunta po dito. And sa mga coaches po, maraming salamat po and pwede mag-shoutout po.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Shoutout po sa girlfriend ko na nasa Bicol. Thank you, mag-ingat ka palagi. Pupunta rin ako dyan.
Yan. Once again, that is Kent Montalvo of APALIT I Love It. Congratulations, Kent. Bago kita bitawan ngayon, I would like to request na next game, tumakta kayo isa lang para sa akin. Ha? Yan, ha? Good luck. Congratulations once again, Kent Montalvo ng APALIT I Love It. And syempre, yan po ang ating fourth and final game dito po sa Delta Cup 2024 Day 1 quarterfinals dito. Syempre, games natin tomorrow. Game number 1, it's Ingbayong Mexico kontra I Love San Simon. Game 2 is Level Up Lubao kontra Juan Magalang Basketball. Game 3, Guagua tulong-tulong tayo kontra Santa Ana Unite. And for the final game, the main event game, it's Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca kontra Bayung Masantol. But that ends this 4-game Friday dito for Penelope Wilhelmina, MJ Raimundo, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Taran, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramoncito Roa, and the rest of the hard-working men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa and I'm saying goodbye and good night.